Thank you for joining me to learn more about saving. Before we go on this journey together, please like and subscribe. If you've ever tried to get your savings in order, you've probably failed a few times. But here's the truth. It's not your fault. Most people just never learned the right strategies. So today, I'm going to share 6 proven ways to save $5,000 faster, backed by psychology and science. And yes, you can still enjoy your lattes and the things you love while doing it. Automate your savings. A 2004 research study found that people who automate their finances save 3.8 times more money, all because they never have to think about it. Here's how it works. When you get paid, set up your bank account to automatically move a portion of your paycheck into savings before you even see it. Let's say you earn $60,000 a year. If you set just 10% to automatically go into savings, you'll have around $6,000 by the end of the year, without even trying. I think of it like a future self tax. You're basically paying your future self first, so they can be financially free later. Here's my simple setup. My paycheck lands in my checking account. On the same day, a chunk automatically moves into 2 accounts, one for spending, one for saving. At the end of the month, anything left over in my spending account gets swept into savings too. That leftover money then goes into one of 3 places: my emergency fund, high-yield savings, or investments. And if you want to track your progress visually, I use a savings goal tracker. Plug in your target and watch your progress grow. It keeps saving fun and motivating. 2. Don't aim for $5,000 all at once. Big goals sound exciting until they're not realistic. Instead of saying, I need to save $5,000, break it down. That's about $410 a month or $14 a day. Now think about this. Cooking at home instead of eating out could save $10 to $15 a day. Skipping the fancy coffee? That's another $5. Cut a few unused subscriptions. There's $30 a month. Take public transport once a week instead of Uber. That's $50 a week. These tiny swaps add up fast. Here's the mindset shift that helps. Don't think, I'm saving $14 a day. Think, I'm building $5,000 in savings this year. That simple mental reframe helps you beat what psychologists call present bias, our tendency to value instant rewards over future benefits. 3. Use your emotions to your advantage. Big brands like Amazon and Nike spend billions trying to understand your emotions so they can get you to buy. But what if you used those same emotional triggers to help yourself save? A 2019 study found people are 3.3 times more likely to save when they connect their savings to an emotional reason, their why. So ask yourself, why do I want to save? Maybe it's for your family, freedom, peace of mind, or to never stress about bills again. For me, my why is my family. They sacrificed everything to give me a better life. Every time I save instead of spend, I think of them, and it keeps me grounded. Knowing why you're saving gives your goal meaning, not just another number in your bank app. Tier 4, the not now but later rule. Ever get that sudden urge to buy something online? That's dopamine, your brain's reward chemical, tricking you into thinking you need it. Here's how to outsmart it. Make a not now but later list. Whenever you want to buy something that's not essential, write it down and wait 30 days. If you still want it after 30 days, go ahead and buy it. But here's the magic. About 90% of the time, you'll realize you didn't want it that badly. You just wanted the feeling of wanting it. Think in future dollars. This one changed everything for me. Let's say you're about to buy a $500 gadget. If you instead invested that $500 in the market for 10 years at an average 10% return, it could grow to around $1,300. Wait 20 years? That's $3,300. So every time you're about to make a big purchase, ask, is this worth the future value of my money? That question alone has saved me thousands. 6. Save from your ego, not just your income. Most people think savings equals income minus expenses. But the real formula is savings equal income minus ego. Be honest, how many things in your room were impulse buys just to keep up with someone else? The truth is, the fastest way to grow your savings isn't earning more. It's wanting less. You'll spend less when you stop caring what others think. Then if you feel like you're not saving enough, remember, progress is progress. It's not about perfection. It's about direction. Start small, stay consistent, and your $5,000 goal will be just the beginning. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more rich content.